In this video, I am going to switch out and get quarter 3 set up in this Frankenplanner of mine. Welcome, I am Kate. Thank you for sticking around. So we have my 5 sections. If you didn't check out my video about I walk through and show off this Frankenplanner, I will link it. I'll try to remember to link it in the cards here. So hopefully I have it set on auto, and I hope it doesn't go too bazonkers here. So first things first is find my place here. Okay, so March and both here. Oh my gosh, so I don't have much space, but I'm trying to show you guys how I'm doing this. It's one of those days. There we go. That done. The thing is, I do not know. I want to change out these discs, but I'm getting limited stock over there, so I don't know. And the thing is, there's a book here that I want to change out. Okay, so if you guys want a video on how I take all these stickers off and white out and set up my monthly view of my Mary and Martha Bible study plan, or Bible verse, writing my Bible verses, I call it, so then I get to know it better. Okay, I'm going to pull this in half so I can get it out. Basically, it's a process, but I enjoy doing the process. But I don't know if you guys want to see the process. So comment below, let me know if you want to see how I have undo what I've done on these planners and then redo what I currently are using on them. Because this one I was trying to do for the longest time. I loved it, but I'm now in that stage that got over my little rabbit hole, and now I just want to use all the things and not buy any more planners. Trying not to. So this one. And I'm going to do, hold on, March, August, July. Here we go. Oh, we can take that out. So, put this in the front. And then I'm going to leave June in here because I still need to do my June walkthrough with you guys. So that is the plan. And then keep June in here. And then July. Now, I thought it was interesting with the homestead, the home body, that they have this red and everything. There's no other red, and it's just like, okay. So it's like this random accent color. And it's on the October tab, too. Like, well, if you're going to give us that, you might as well give us the stickers to match. Yeah, October is all red as well, see? So, alright, there's the everyday main squeeze in there. Alright. Just trying to make sure I got all of the, yep. And I was playing with the disc, so that's why they're all hodgepodge looking around. Like this one doesn't need expander disc anymore, but we do need this. So, and I need to find make a new cover sheet for this. I'm also going through some old clearance planners that I picked up, figure out how to incorporate it with my system now. Let me do it this way. So there is that. So next year, because I'm using all of what I got, and I spent this money on it, use it. I'm going to use it. And then get the picture out. That's not too bad. Thought this would take me a long time, but it's like seeing this. I will see. You guys enjoy doing this, see me doing this or not. But I do want to put these rainbow discs on here, so I'm kind of like hemming and hawing, trying to figure out how to put the metal rainbow disc on here as well. Yeah. I have ideas how to use my planner. Now this is a horizontal one. It's interesting that the 18 months for this last release is now majority neutral, either black or white, with a hint of color here or there, or not. Okay, that's the food truck one. Keep that aside. So that's this one. And this here. So I'm enjoying decorating these. As you know, I'm not doing a good job tracking my food in them. So I might do, because I really love this planner. Oh my God, why do I say that? It's not a planter, Kate. That I want to probably reuse it for next, I don't know how to describe it. Once I start using it, so it might be July, it might be next year, I don't know. Hold on. Okay, there it is. So I kept this in here to do that, but I need to put a little note saying, hey, by the way, this is where this one starts. Because I wanted dividers when I had more than one to divide it up, but I'll figure it out. I do want to track my food. There's a lot of habits I would like to do, and I'm hoping to see more data on why certain things are working and not working for me. But I don't know why I'm not in a good habit of writing everything down. So, but like I said, if I didn't use these very much, I will reuse them for next year, and I won't even worry about changing the days of the month. I'll be like, who cares? Same days of the week, except for February, we'll have an extra day. I don't care. Now this one, I think I used some of it, and not all of it. So, get down to the last one here. Now, if you catch my last video, I talk about how I'm changing things out on my channel. So, in doing so, just let me know if you guys, like I said, I'm trying to do more after the pen, so I don't feel like, so it makes me more accountable to fill it out than before the pen ones. Because I sometimes have decorated and not touched it at all. And as Tamika pastry pumps and pies would say, is it's too pretty to use. I totally get you there, girl. It's too pretty to use. So it looks like I need to decorate these too. Now, I thought this was going to be the one before it, the Coastal Vibes 18-month, but no. I'm kind of disappointed in this one. It's still pretty. I still love the disc and everything, not the colors of the disc, but I'm disappointed as a horizontal. Okay. And yeah, let me know if you want to see me decorate any of this. I'll do that as a wild card. And all that. So, okay, this is just extra. So we got everything switched out and such. There's the planner. I need to do here is make, well, this is my faith divider, but I want a cover page. Then I want a cover page and such for that. And so comment below. Let me know if you want to see me make a cover page for this Frankenplanner, or you just want to see it after the fact and just do another quick flip through setup kind of thing. So without further ado, let me do this real quick. Excuse me. It's just like, I don't know if your season makes me sound like a man. Alright. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, share with your friends, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.